Hey guys, it's Catfish, and I'm back with another video. And on today's video, we're at the Memphis International Speedway, and it's the calm before the storm. Yeah, we actually got access to the pits and everything, man. We gonna walk around. We got a couple of people I want y'all to see. We got. Look at this guy right here. We got Racer X.
That's my man Catfish.
Right and Lady X. What's going on, brother?
Yo, man.
Yeah, this that famous Hellcat.
That's it, man.
Hey, you got skinnies on the front too.
Oh yeah, we just changed them out. We're getting ready to put her down through in a little bit.
Y'all go follow him on YouTube. Got them sticky Mickeys on there.
Oh, yeah, I gotta try and hook it up.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully it hooks up.
Pipes Performance, y'all see it.
That's it.
Yes, sir. We got all access to the pits, so we can walk around. And here go, Miss X car, and she can drive this thing too, y'all. I done seen her drive it. She can drive this thing, y'all.
She will.
Yes, sir. Yeah, she can drive it too. Destroyer Gray. She got the shaker Hemi.
All those videos that you see on online, everybody going crazy. That's what it is.
Okay.
There go Fat Cat right there, man.
What's going on, baby?
That's my boy right there. I've been
everybody
following
doing?
his
What's
channel
going on,
since
man?
inception, boy.
Hey, Florida in the building, man.
Yes,
We made
sir.
it. You know what I'm saying?
And we got, you know who this is? My main man, Mission Flyer.
You want to talk about that right now?
Salute to the veterans.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Modern day muscle. What's up, brother?
What's going on, man?
Chillin', man. Chillin'. This dude right here, I met him in Texas.
Yes, sir.
And he cool people, man. Then we got E-Vapors too. We got
Now you
E-Vapors.
want to talk about it?
Look at it.
My bad.
Look at it.
Look at it.
Yeah, we got all access, y'all. This the calm before the storm. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see Mission Fly's car? With that crazy rap, man. Ooh. Man, Racer X done fired up the car. We gotta go over here. Wait a minute. Racer X done fired the car up. Ooh, that thing sounds good. Ooh, wait. Y'all hear that thing breathing? Woo!
You can smell it.
Yeah, it got that E85, boy. You can smell that stuff. Woo! Y'all gotta put your headphones on for that. Woo! Woo! Y'all put your headphones on. Headphone alert. Look at Miss X. Why you doing that to him, girl? What's up, girl?
Gotta blow it up.
How you doing? I'm blessed.
A lot of people to see
That's my girl.
How you doing? Y'all seen her on the channel. She's been on it before, and yes, she will be coming back.